What is the confidence paradox and why do we care? Well, the confidence paradox refers to the often observed phenomenon where individuals with less knowledge or competence in a particular area tend to overestimate their ability, while those with more knowledge or competence tend to underestimate it. This paradox is closely related to two well-known psychological effects, the Dunning-Kruger effect and impostor syndrome. Now, the Dunning-Kruger effect is a cognitive bias where people with limited knowledge or competence in a domain lack the ability to recognize their own incompetence. Consequently, they overestimate their own skills or knowledge. At the lowest levels of competence, individuals often possess an unjustified competence, believing they are much, much more capable than they actually are. Now, imposter syndrome on the other end of the spectrum often affects highly competent individuals. Despite their skills and achievements and recognized competence, they doubt their successes and fear being exposed as a fraud. Now, this can lead to a lack of confidence and chronic self-doubt. The paradox lies in the fact that those who are often the least skilled are the most overconfident, while those who are genuinely skilled may undervalue or question their own competence. Now, this misalignment between competence and confidence can have a significant impact in the workplace and in other areas affecting decision-making, leadership, and personal development. So it's important to understand this paradox for personal growth, effective management, and to foster a balanced and realistic self-assessment in individuals. The problem arises when we confuse confidence with competence. Humans are naturally drawn to confident and charismatic leaders for several reasons that are rooted in psychological, social, and evolutionary factors. Confident leaders project certainty and decisiveness, which can make others feel more secure, especially in uncertain or high-stakes situations. This sense of decisiveness can make them appear more competent and reliable. Charismatic leaders have the ability to articulate a compelling vision and inspire enthusiasm and commitment. Their energy and passion can be contagious, motivating others to follow and contribute to the leader's vision. Confidence and charisma can foster trust. When leaders appear confident and charismatic, people are more likely to believe in their capabilities and trust them to lead effectively. Now, from an evolutionary perspective, humans are thought to be wired to follow strong, confident individuals who appear capable of providing security and guidance, especially in challenging environments. People often look to others when deciding how to behave, especially in unfamiliar situations. A confident, charismatic leader attracts a following, and that social proof encourages more people to trust and follow them. Charismatic leaders are also often skilled in emotional intelligence. They connect with people on a personal level, making the followers feel understood and valued. So how do you tell the difference between confidence and competence? Well, first, you have to look beyond the charisma and assess long-term results delivered by the leader. Are their successes sustainable and replicable without their direct involvement? Second, observe how they interact with their team. Is the team's success attributed to the leader's vision alone, or is it a collective effort with shared leadership? Third, evaluate how decisions are made. Is it solely top-down based on the leader's intuition, or is it a more inclusive process that involves data analysis and team input? Finally, consider how the leader and their team handle setbacks or crises. A competent leader typically has a robust system and process in place to navigate challenges. Now, what are your tips for telling the difference between confidence and competence? Share your thoughts in the comments below.